Containerization has changed the way we package, deploy, and manage applications. Its ability to create isolated, self-sufficient units of software has streamlined development workflows and improved resource utilization. However, as with any technology, containerization brings its own set of security challenges. The attack surface of containerized environments differs significantly from traditional systems. Containers share the host kernel, creating potential avenues for privilege escalation and resource contention. Additionally, the layers of abstraction introduced by container images and registries can obscure vulnerabilities and make it difficult to track dependencies. Well, in recent years have seen a shift in the attack landscape, with attackers increasingly targeting supply chain vulnerabilities. A compromised container image or registry can have far-reaching consequences, while potentially infecting multiple systems and compromising sensitive data. The key security concerns they can think of: kernel exploits, misconfigurations, vulnerable dependencies, and supply chain attacks. To address the security challenges of containerized environments, a comprehensive approach is needed. This involves employing a combination of security tools and best practices to harden containers, secure the supply chain, and monitor for suspicious activity. First set of tools like Claire and Anchor perform a static analysis of container images to identify known vulnerabilities in base images and dependencies. By integrating these tools into CI/CD pipeline, vulnerabilities can be detected early in the development process, reducing the risk of deploying compromised images. Well, this is all about image scanning and vulnerability analysis. But how about runtime security and monitoring? Well, we have the solution, and it's called Falco. Falco is a behavioral activity monitor designed for cloud-native environments. It detects various behavior at runtime, such as unexpected process, network connections, or file system modifications. By alerting administrators to suspicious activity, Falco enables swift response to potential security incidents. The next tool is called Harbor. Harbor is a cloud-native registry that provides secure storage and management of container images. It includes features like vulnerability scanning, role-based access control, and content trust, helping to ensure the integrity and confidentiality of container images. Software Composition Analysis (SCA). JFrog X-Ray is a SCA tool that scans container images and dependencies for vulnerabilities and license compliance issues. By providing detailed reports on the software composition of images, X-Ray enables administrators to assess the security and legal risks associated with the containerized applications. However, before using all these tools, you can rely on best practices for container security. The first one is minimal base images. You can use minimal base images to reduce the attack surface of containers. You can grant containers only the permissions necessary to function, which is the least privilege principle. And you need to verify the authenticity and integrity of container images, which is about secure supply chain. And of course, regular updates and enabling monitoring and logging can be helpful too. Well, okay, that's about it. I'm not sponsored by any of these tools, but I use them in real-world process and I love them. So what do you use for container security tasks? Do you use any tool that I didn't mention? Write about it in the comment section. Thank you.